To add group policy management to your PC, click this Start menu and open Settings. In Settings, go to System Settings. Under System Settings, scroll down and here you'll find Optional Features. Click on that. And now we have to add an optional feature. So click on View Features. And in the Search Features, type here Group. And here as the search results, you'll find here Group Policy Management Tool. Now to install this, check this option and click on Next. Click on Add. And we can see the Group Policy Management Tool is now installing on my PC. It may take some minutes to install it. And here we can see it's successfully installed on my PC. Once installed, you will find the Group Policy Management Tools under these Add Date features. So here's the tool. Now to open the Group Policy Management Tool, you can click this search and type here gpedit.msc and open this gpedit.msc here. Click on OK. And here we can see the Group Policy Management. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.